I'm an intern at Explora. Today we're going to be making the super silly sound shakers, also known as maracas. So now we're going to start making it. First, we're going to fold this side and then staple it. So if you don't have any staples or a stapler, you could just use tape or glue even. And then now we can start filling it with any of these materials. So you can use like sprinkles or beads or pasta or buttons or paper clips or even beads. Or anything that you think will make like a shaking noise, you know, whatever you have. Now shake like a maraca, your own. And now, if you would like, you could also personalize it and you can decorate it with like colors or like stickers or feathers. And I decorated mine, so it's your own, you know? Thanks for watching. I hope you can have fun making this at home and try to find out what other kind of silly shakers you can make.